Hi guys, it's Albert from Planika, and today I have a question for you. What do you think this is? You can see there is real fire burning inside. It produces a lot of heat. But there is no wood inside, there are no gas lines around. So what is it? It's the world's first and only freestanding bio-fireplace with the BEV technology of combusting ethanol vapors. After you remove this front panel, you can see a 5-liter canister with eco-friendly bioethanol. The fuel is pumped inside the fireplace where it is vaporized. These vapors are then combusted right here above the burner in the most efficient and clean way, without any smoke, soot, ash or even smell. And since there is no smoke, you don't connect this fireplace to the chimney. It's a 100% freestanding product. After you take it out of the box, you place it wherever you want, and that's it, it's ready to use. And there is another cool feature. You can start a fire with a remote. So let's say it's Saturday evening, you are sitting on a couch reading a book, you grab the remote, push the button and the fire is on. And there is more. With this remote, you can control the flame height. So you don't even have to come close to the fireplace. Everything happens remotely and automatically. In traditional wood-burning stoves, you have to spend a lot of time to prepare the wood, you struggle with starting the fire, eventually everything is covered with soot, you need to clean the glass so you can see the fire. And also, you can't extinguish the flame just like that, you have to wait until the wood has burned. With this fireplace, these problems don't bother you at all. You can start a fire whenever you want and for as much time as you want, let's say for half an hour as you eat dinner. And when you need to leave or you want to go to bed, you just hit the button and the flame is gone. It's as simple as that. This fireplace produces a lot of heat. If only you could be here and feel it for yourself. I was curious, and before I started recording this video, I checked the temperature inside this room and it was 16 degrees. I started the fireplace and just after a few more minutes it is now 21 degrees. 100% of the heat is emitted through the glass and the grate on the top right here. And if the fireplace runs out of fuel, all you have to do is just replace the empty canister with a full one. It's super convenient and it takes only seconds. A full canister gives you up to 10 hours of continuous burning, and 1 hour costs you only €1. You can easily buy the fuel on Amazon or our website planika.com. People often ask if this is really a natural flame. They wonder because they don't see any wood or gas lines around. And yes, this is 100% natural, real flame. And to prove this, I removed the front glass and now you should see on the screen as I light a regular match from the fire. It's not a hologram, it's not an artificial thing, it's a 100% natural, real fire. This fireplace is maintenance-free. Everything is controlled by the computer inside. You start the fire with a remote and you can enjoy rich, vivid golden flames. And believe me, it looks phenomenal. I can guarantee you this is the only fireplace that can give you all these benefits. That's it from me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and leave a comment below. Thank you and see you next time.